In the quiet corners of forests, meadows, and even city parks, a flash of red fur and a bushy tail slips silently between the trees. This is the fox, a creature of intelligence, adaptability, and undeniable charm. Welcome to Calm Nature Tales, where today we journey into the captivating world of foxes. What makes these animals so intelligent? How do they thrive both in the wild and urban environments? And why do they carry such deep symbolism across cultures? Sit back, relax, and let's explore the life of the fox, the clever wanderer of the wild. Fox family tree. Foxes belong to the Canidae family, which also includes wolves, coyotes, and domestic dogs. Among the over 30 species of foxes, the most well-known is the red fox, Vulpes vulpes, recognizable by its reddish-orange fur and bushy white-tipped tail. But not all foxes are red. There are Arctic foxes, Fennec foxes, and gray foxes, each adapted to their unique environments. Their bodies are compact, built for agility. Most adult red foxes weigh between 3.5 to 7 kilograms and stand about 35 to 40 centimeters tall at the shoulder. Intelligence and adaptability. Foxes are famous for their cleverness, and for good reason. Studies have shown they use problem-solving skills, memory, and even mimicry to hunt. They often stash food for later, remember hiding spots, and can adjust their hunting techniques depending on prey behavior. Some urban foxes have been observed using traffic lights to cross roads or timing their foraging with garbage collection schedules. Their adaptability is also impressive. Foxes thrive in cold Arctic regions, dry deserts, dense forests, and even sprawling cities like London or Berlin. Did you know foxes were this smart? What's the smartest animal encounter you've had? The fox's diet. Foxes are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. Their diet includes small mammals like mice and rabbits, birds, eggs, insects, berries, fruits, roots, even human leftovers in cities. They often use a pouncing technique to catch prey, leaping high into the air and diving with precision. One charming behavior is mousing. Foxes tilt their heads, possibly using Earth's magnetic field to locate small prey under the snow. If you had to eat like a fox for a day, what would your meal look like? Habitats and range. Foxes live on every continent except Antarctica. They prefer edge habitats, the borders between forests and fields, or even city parks and suburbs. Their dens are often dug into hillsides or found in hollow logs, abandoned burrows, or hidden under sheds. The Arctic fox, for example, has thick fur and furry feet to survive freezing conditions. The Fennec fox of the Sahara has enormous ears to dissipate heat and hear prey underground. Their territories vary depending on food availability and species. Some urban foxes live in surprisingly small areas, while rural foxes may roam many kilometers.
Social life and communication.
Foxes are mostly solitary, but they do have rich communication methods. They communicate using vocalizations, barks, screams, yelps. You might have heard the famous fox scream at night. Body language, tail positioning, ear movement. Scent marking, to define territory and signal reproductive status. Mating pairs may stay together for a season, raising kits, baby foxes, in a den. Kits play together, learning hunting and social skills from their parents. Mothers are attentive, and sometimes older siblings or even males assist in raising young. Cultural symbolism. Foxes have appeared in myths and folklore across the globe. In Japan, the fox or kitsune is believed to have magical powers, sometimes seen as a shapeshifter. In Native American traditions, foxes are guides and protectors. In European tales, the fox is often the trickster, clever, sly, and one step ahead. Even in modern media, from The Little Prince to Fantastic Mr. Fox, this animal is portrayed as clever, mysterious, and charming. Urban foxes. More and more, foxes are becoming part of urban ecosystems. They've learned to scavenge from trash bins, shelter under sheds or buildings, navigate traffic and even elevators in rare cases. While some people see them as pests, others admire their resilience. In many cities, foxes play a role in controlling rodent populations and are quietly coexisting with humans. Threats and conservation. Though common, foxes still face threats. Habitat loss through urbanization, disease such as mange or rabies, traffic accidents, illegal hunting or trapping. In some areas, foxes are protected or managed to ensure balanced ecosystems. In others, they are misunderstood and persecuted. We must learn to coexist, respecting foxes for their place in nature and their role in maintaining healthy food chains. How can we better live alongside wild animals like foxes in our modern world?
Fun facts. Let's wrap it up with some fun facts about foxes. A fox's tail is called a brush and is used for balance and warmth. Foxes have slitted pupils like cats, giving them excellent night vision. They can run up to 50 kilometers per hour. A group of foxes is called a skulk or leash, though they're usually solitary. Fennec foxes' ears can be 15% of their body length. Which fox fact surprised you most? Let us know. Foxes remind us of the wild intelligence that lives just beyond our view, in the fields, forests, and even the back alleys of cities. If you enjoyed this calm journey with foxes, please give us a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Suggest the next animal you'd like us to explore, maybe the curious ferret, the graceful lynx, or the playful otter. Until next time, stay curious, stay calm, and keep exploring with Calm Nature Tales.